In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring to-dos in Basecamp, Workarounds. If you've ever needed a to-do to repeat on a custom schedule that Basecamp doesn't support out of the box, this simple automation using Zapier will do the trick. We'll use Zapier's schedule trigger to create a brand new Basecamp to-do automatically, exactly when you want it. Start by heading to zapier.com and logging in, or creating a new account if you're brand new. Once you're in, create a new Zap. Think of a Zap as an automated workflow. Something triggers it, and Zapier performs an action. It helps to give your Zap a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you'll set up several recurring tasks. For the trigger, select the app called Schedule. This tells Zapier to run on a timetable instead of waiting for an external event. Choose how often it should run. You can set it to every Monday, the first day of each month, every weekday at a certain time, or other common patterns. Pay attention to the time zone in your Zapier settings so tasks appear when you expect them to. If your team spans multiple regions, decide on a single reference time to keep everyone aligned. Next, add the action and choose Basecamp 3. Pick the Create To-Do action. If this is your first time connecting Basecamp, Zapier will prompt you to authorize access. This connection is secure and only needs to be done once per account. After it's connected, choose the specific Basecamp project and the to-do list where new items should land. This is important for keeping things organized and visible to the right people. Now fill in the task details. Add a clear title and, if helpful, a description with context or links your team will need. You can also include due dates and assign the task to the appropriate person if that's part of your normal workflow. A useful tip is to include the date in the title or description so it's obvious when the task was created. This makes it easier to spot duplicates or confirm the schedule is working as intended. When everything looks good, turn on the Zap. From now on, Zapier will create a brand new Basecamp to-do on the schedule you set. Keep an eye on the first run to confirm timing, formatting, and placement in the correct project and list. If you ever need to pause or adjust the schedule, just return to the Zap, make your changes, and save. That's it. Recurring to-dos in Basecamp handled automatically.